Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to count words in MS Word document. So friends, to count words in MS Word, you don't need to use any formula or any feature. Just type your data and in this bottom line you will see numbers of words. As we can see, page there are 4. This page is the first of 4 and there are total number 822. So here we can see all numbers of this MS Word document, and if you want to count any particular area of this Word document, so just you need to select. So as we can see, selected words number is 68 out of 822. So just you need to select if you want to count any particular area, and also you will count, and also you will type anything, so it will count automatically. Like as we can see, now number is increased. So that's it friends. By this quick and easy method we can know how to count numbers, words, how to count words in MS Word document. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.